Step inside this thoughtfully redesigned apartment, where timeless elegance meets modern comfort. Set in a Victorian mansion block, the home features a refined palette that enhances its natural light and classic architecture. This London home is designed by eclectic Interiors that reflects a timeless and personal approach to decor that blends classic elements with modern sensibilities. The apartment, set in a Victorian mansion block, was fully renovated to enhance its strong architecture and natural light, using a palette of complementary colors throughout. Vintage and reclaimed pieces are thoughtfully integrated throughout the home. Custom joinery extends to the ceiling and is painted in the same color as the surrounding walls and trimmed to unify the rooms. Artistic touches, from works by Maurice Cockerill and David Shrigley to reclaimed signage, reflect the owner's creative eye and love for layered, collected interiors. Further contributing to the home's layered and cohesive feel is the careful use of joinery, designed to blend seamlessly into the rooms by extending to the ceiling and incorporating matching skirting details. This technique, along with painting the walls, ceiling, windows, and joinery in the same color creates a unified and spacious visual effect, especially important in a compact flat. Art and personal collections are key to the character of the home. The apartment serves as a gallery for a growing art collection, with large-scale works thoughtfully placed to enhance each space. Decorative objects like a reclaimed sign from Somerset and a trumpet artwork by David Shrigley sit alongside functional antiques, enriching the interior with personality and narrative. Lighting choices such as globe lanterns from Jam and a ceiling light from Circa Lighting balance elegance and warmth, while tongue-and-groove paneling and richly textured tiles add subtle architectural interest and depth. Overall, the design achieves a harmonious mix of heritage, craftsmanship, and contemporary comfort, making it both practical and deeply personal.